Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 20, my lord.
Hmm?
Item number 20, my lord.
20.
My lord.
20. Okay.
It seems, my lord, a letter of absence, my lord, by the is dear, my lord, of the Advocate Council, my lord. DK Derry, my lord. May-
Who will appear in this case?
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
You are for a petition
My lord. There is letter of absence by from the council of the my lord respondent, my lord.
or
At
respondent.
2, my lord. May I pray that this be listed after 2 weeks, my lord, or 4 weeks, my lord.
Heard Mr. L. Parme appearing for the petitioner. List this matter after 2 weeks for hearing.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship, I have to mention, I have already filed, Your Lordship, bail application that may be listed, Your Lordship.
Today,
Yes, Your Lordship.
May, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6.
6.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, this matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
You are for the appellant.
Yes, Lordship.
Who is the counsel? Diki Panging.
Yes, Lordship.
What is your name?
D. Lona.
D.
Lona, Lordship.
Lolan. The learned counsel, Mr. D. Lolan. Praise for an adjournment. Have you informed the other side?
Yes, Lordship.
He has also submitted that he has already informed the other side. Accordingly, the matter stands adjourned today. When do you want it?
2 weeks, Lordship.
After 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship.
List after 2 weeks for admission hearing.
So, Lordship, item number 21.
21.
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm.
This matter may be taken up after 1 week, Lordship.
So you are for Diki Panging.
Yes, Lordship.
The learned counsel, Mr. D. Tamuk.
D. Lona, Lordship.
D. Luna.
Yes, Lordship.
D. Luna. Luna. Lona.
Lone.
The learned counsel, Mr. D. Luna, appearing for the appellant. Praise for an adjournment on the ground that the learned conducting counsel, Mr. Diki Panging, is out of station. The prayer of adjournment is allowed. List after 2 weeks.
1 week, Lordship.
1 week. List after 1 week for hearing.
All right, Lordship.
If I may, Your Lordship,
Hmm.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5.
5.
On behalf of Advocate Ketama, Your Lordship. Currently, he is out of station, Your Lordship.
Oh, Ketama is absent.
Yes, Your Lordship. We have taken the concern from other side also, Your Lordship.
Okay. The learned counsel, what is your name?
Jade Ring.
Huh?
Jade Ring.
The learned counsel so and so submits that the learned conducting counsel, Mr. K. Tama, is absent today, and on the ground an adjournment has been prayed for. The
Your
learned
Lordship.
counsel further submitted that he has already informed the other side. The matter is adjourned today. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, Your
At
Lordship.
least after 2 weeks. For admission hearing. Okay.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
My LLC, I like to mention item number 10.
Item number
10.
10.
On behalf of T. Tapak.
Hmm.
Matter may be released after 1 month.
You're for appearing for Mr. Tapak.
Yes.
What is your name? What is your name?
B. Sibo.
The learned counsel, Mr. B. Sibu, appearing for the learned conducting counsel, Mr. P. Tapak, submits that Mr. Tapak is absent today, and on the ground an adjournment has been prayed for. The prayer is allowed. Least after 2 weeks. Yes.
May, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11, Lordship. I'm for a respondent, Lordship.
Hmm.
I have taken consent from other side.
Okay.
Kindly matter may be released after 4 weeks more.
Your name?
T. Minky, Taja Minky.
Tada Linki.
Yes, Lordship.
The learned counsel so and so, appearing for a respondent prays for an adjournment, is also submits. You are for the appellant?
Yes.
Praise for adjournment. I have also heard Mr. What is your name? B. Picha. Appearing for the appellant, who has no objection. Accordingly, the matter stands adjourned today. List after
4 weeks, Lordship.
4 weeks. Huh? The interim order passed till shall continue until then.
And your lordship, item number 13 also, lordship. Matter may be listed after 4 weeks, lordship. I have taken consent from other side, lordship.
You are for
I am for petitioner, lordship.
petitioner.
Yes, lordship.
You are for Opada.
Yes, lordship. Oh, pardon.
The learned counsel so and so. Appearing on behalf of the learned conducting counsel, Mr. O. Pada submits that Mr. Pada is absent today. The learned counsel further submits that he has already informed the other side. Accordingly, the matter stands adjourned today after
4 weeks, lordship.
at least after 4 weeks.
Obliged, lordship.
Lordship, this matter may be kindly passed over for the time being.
What the time mean?
Yes,
Who is
Lordship.
coming? Who will appear?
I will be appearing, your Lordship. Leonard PP has been
Oh,
occupied in another body. All right.
yes.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, this is an application under section 482 of CRPC,
Hmm.
challenging the order issued by Learned Sessions Court UPA dated 24/7/2023,
Where is the order? Page number?
page number 29. Married.
Hmm.
State is represented by Mrs. So-and-so, Learned Special Public Prosecutor. Present accused so-and-so appeared along with Learned PDC so-and-so. The accused has surrendered himself before the court. The court has issued non-bailable warrant of arrest against the accused after receiving the relevant information that death certificate submitted before the court by his wife on 18/1/2022 was fake. The OCWPS Itanagar has filed inquiry report stating that accused was alive and working as a primary teacher at government primary school, Pipu Circle of East Kameng district. The OCWPS Itanagar has also indicated the wife of the accused is evading police arrest and pray for issue of NBWA. Accused is taken into custody. His bail stands cancelled. He has been informed of cancellation of bail in presence of Learned PDC so-and-so. The OCPS Doimuk is directed to formally arrest him and handed over to the jail superintendent of Julie Jail after conducting medical tests. Issue non-bailable warrant of arrest against Tongchi Rigam, wife of so-and-so, through OCPS Itanagar on dated 4/12/2023. Issue summon to witness number 1 on 9/1/2024 as per the court diary, all the dates so-and-so, so-and-so. Lordship, here in this case, the petitioner in the present case is not the accused person in connection with the present case, that is POXO case 16/21. Lordship, in this case, in this POXO case 16/2021, the husband of the petitioner was the sole accused person. The case has been registered in the year 2021. FIR filed, charge sheet, subsequently charge sheet was also filed. And accordingly, trial has been commenced. Now the trial is being conducted at the Sessions Court UPR. During the course of trial, my lord, the accused was summoned. Later on, when the accused was summoned to appear to face the trial, on behest of accused person, his wife has produced a death certificate of accused person who was wanting for trial before the Court of Sessions Court UPR. And the petitioner is the wife, has produced the forced death certificate stating that the husband or the accused person already died, and she produced the death certificate. On verification, it was found that the death certificate is it's not fact, but it was issued on a false affidavit shown by one of the relative, not even the petitioner in this question, Lordship. Of course, petitioner has a I don't deny that petitioner has no knowledge, but she is a illiterate villager. But when the trial court inquire about the accused person who was wanting for trial in the present case, the petitioner she has stated before the learned trial court that the accused person or the husband of the petitioner died, and she has produced the death certificate. So, taking cognizance of the case, the learned trial court has issued non-bailable warrant of arrest against the petitioner, who is the wife of the accused person. So, Lordship, I am challenging the non-bailable warrant of arrest issued against the petitioner, who is the wife of the accused person, on the ground that, Lordship, the Lordship, by looking at the taking its face value of the offense of the present case, the allegation to have been committed by the petitioner
All right.
is perjury.
Jenny.
Yes, Your Lordship might have gone through the paragraph, Your Lordship, where in the entire why the NBW was issued, Your Lordship. However, Your Lordship will see that the reason for issuing the NBW was that after all this has happened, she absconded, Your Lordship. If I may pray that bail till she appears on certain date that Your Lordship directs. Until then, this NBW may be stayed, Your Lordship.
But under what provision the warrant of arrest was issued against the woman?
Your Lordship,
Under what provision the warrant of arrest was issued against that woman? Because she is not an accused in the POCSO case.
Lordship.
no, she is not the accused in the POCSO case. If I may take Your Lordship to point 3, page number 31, Your Lordship. Your Lordship will see that she is the wife of the accused, Your Lordship.
She submitted a fake certificate. The court should have filed an FIR against her for filing fake documents.
Absolutely, Your Lordship. Therefore, the inquiry is being made because after this certificate was issued, Your Lordship, thereafter verification was made. And since then, she has been absconding instead of replying back to why such documents was furnished to the court, Your Lordship. She is a witness, and therefore, a witness having submitted fabricated documents, if it was under her knowledge or not, that is what was to be
She
verified.
committed a bad thing, but she should not have been, she does not deserve to be arrested for it for us.
Therefore, what I
Court
suggest,
should have filed an FIR against her for filing fake documents.
is, Your Lordship, as per the procedure, Your Lordship, in section 71, Your Lordship, it can be done, Your Lordship.
Under what provision?
CRPC, Your Lordship.
CRPC.
Lordship will see the court the court which has issued the NBW
Hmm.
can recall back the warrant of arrest, Your Lordship.
Section
70, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
71, Your Lordship.
71. Power to direct security to be taken.
Yes, Your Lord. There is a provision for warrant of arrest.
This is a different provision. This is not the actual provision.
In fact, at paragraph 6, Your Lordship, there was already a direction to file a FIR against the
Hmm. That we meant.
petitioner, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Your Lordship, before doing that,
Hmm.
the learned trial court has straightway issued the NBWA against me.
Hmm. All right, heard the learned counsel, Mister, what is your name?
T Taba,
T Tamak,
Taba,
Taba, appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. J. T Gini, the learned additional PB for the state of Assam, state of Arunachal Pradesh. This is an application under section 482 of the CRPC. Challenging the order dated 27/09/2023. Passed by
and under
the
subsequent orders also, Lordship.
order dated, challenging the order dated 27/09/2023 and the subsequent orders passed by the special judge POXO UPA in POXO case number 16 of 2021.
23, Your Lordship. During a routine checkup, checking some individuals were arrested carrying cannabis, suspected cannabis around 188.1 kg, and they were arrested on the same day. During the course of investigation, the instant accused of this bail application was arrested on 22/9/2023. And since then, he's in custody on the suspicion that he has supplied the suspected cannabis.
Yes.
Now, Your Lordship, after that, Your Lordship, he has appeared, he has filed a bail application before the special judge West Cumming, Your Lordship, where the bail application was rejected on 20/10/2023. Your Lordship, the order of the bail rejection order is at page number 21. Your Lordship.
Okay, what is the humanitarian ground?
Your Lordship, Your Lordship, the accused is a father of 5, and his wife is currently suffering from cardiovascular artery disease, Your Lordship. And now she needs surgery. And he is the only bread earner of the family, and there's 5 children. So without him being released on bail, the chances of his wife getting treatment is very slim, Your Lordship.
But where are the medical documents? These are prescriptions.
Yes, prescription. She has been referred for the CAD in the annexure 5, page number 23. In the second one, CAD has been written, Your Lordship. CAD is short for coronary artery disease, Your Lordship.
Case diary will be required.
Your Lordship.
Case diary will be required. Your medical ground is not satisfactory.
Lordship, if Your Lordship, only a conditional bail may be granted, Your Lordship, kindly, so that he can.
It is a commercial quantity, isn't it?
Yes,
That is there. That's why we are not coming for any married or any other, though his name is not mentioned in the FIR and other on the suspicion he was arrested, but only on the ground of humanitarian because his wife is currently suffering from this problem and
These documents are not satisfactory. These are only prescriptions. Total medical report will be required.
Your Lordship, the wife is a housewife, not earning. Lordship, further treatment or proper medical certification will be difficult without the help of the husband. Your Lordship. There's 5 children also.
There is no other way. At the learned counsel, Mr. What is your name?
Yes, Your Lordship.
T. Gatso. Appearing for the petitioner. Hard Mr. J. Seri, the learned public prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Call for the case diary. Pair. The petitioner has submitted some medical documents to show that his wife is suffering from
Coronary artery disease.
coronary arterial disease. These documents are not satisfactory for consideration of bail prayer. Therefore, the petitioner is directed to produce some satisfactory documents so that court can have an opinion about the health condition of the wife of the petitioner. List again on when? Diary come?
7th of December, Mel.
7th of December.
Obliged.
Keep going.
Is it a joint petition?
Yes, Lordship. By the husband,
Between whom?
the husband and wife, Lordship. If the FIR is,
Husband and wife.
yes, Lordship. FIR is at page number 12, Lordship. Basically, it is a domestic dispute. There was some physical aspect to that, so an FIR was registered. But they have 2 children, so due on consideration of their medical life as well as the future of their children, they have decided to.
Okay, Jeannie, do you have any objection?
No, Your Lordship.
Then it is quashed.
Yes.
Much better.
Lordship, this is a joint petition, Lordship, filed by the complainant and the alleged accused person, Your Honor.
What is the offense?
Offense is, Lordship, petition number one is the complainant, Your Honor, and 2 to 5 are the juvenile conflicting with the law in the date of offense, Your Honor, and that is what happened in 2018, Your Lordship. So now they are adults.
What is 392?
392 is, Lordship,
Robert,
robbery punishment, for robbery.
where is the FIR?
440, Lordship, what happened, Your Honor? Lordship, matter is before the JJ board in UPI, Your Honor. So last time we have requested to furnish this FIR copy, but they only given this charge sheet copy. The charge sheet copy is page number, Lordship, 17, annexure 2.
Page
So-
number 19.
FIR copy has been informed by staff that misplaced somewhere. So copy of this charge sheet only they have furnished. Your Honor. So in page number 19, the fact is that, Lordship, of the prosecution history. In 16, a brief fact of the case. The prosecution history of the case is in brief is that on 4/01/2018, a case by Itanagar PS case number 0518 under section 448/392 IPC was registered based on a complaint received from one Sri Kabir Ahmed, son of Sri Abdul Subir of Niti Bihar, Itanagar, to the effect that on 30/2/2017, 19 at around 9:30 p.m., 5 persons entered in his house and taken away 3 notes of mobile handset and case of rupees 40,000, and also beaten laborers staying in the room. Hence the case. This is the FIR, Your Honor, actually.
They have compromised.
The matter has been compromised, Your Honor. So that agreement has been enclosed in page number 40, annexure 3, Lordship. Last.
No, just a minute.
So actually, at that time of the offense, Lordship, these accused persons, they were juvenile, Lordship. One was in class 10 student, another was class 8, and the next, 4th number was in class 8, and the last one, Subhas Rai, was the class 7 student, Your Honor.
No,
So now-
who has filed this affidavit?
Affidavit is in, now they are adult, Your Honor. It was happened in 2017, Your Honor. So affidavit has been filed by this, all this accused.
Who is Naken Jilen?
Naken Julian is also accused. The police has made this person as also accused in that charge sheet, Lordship.
But who is the informant?
Informant is Kabir Ahmad, Lordship,
Kabir.
petitioner no one.
He has to file the affidavit.
Affidavit, he has also filed affidavit, Lordship, page number 10. Yes,
Oh, he has filed it.
yes, page number 10 to
They filed
14,
separately.
they all filed affidavit. Now they, this child conflicting or actually they are now adult, you know. So because of that affidavit is signed by this all the accused persons. Matter is pending before the JJ board UPL, Lordship. Only issue was that
Where is the compromise deed?
compromise did in phase number, Lordship, 40, annexure 3. Annexure 3, page number 40. So now this complainant, this all the alleged persons, they were compromised. Compromised, and the matter has already been registered before a notary, public Itanagar Capital Region, on 11/10/2023, Lordship. So in condition, Lordship, they have agreed that not to contest.
Ginny, what is your opinion?
Your Lordship, if I may, Your Lordship. The charge sheet was filed before the appropriate court in the year 2018, Your Lordship. Now, to a certain, at what stage at least, the case is pending because it's a case of 2018, Your Lordship. Only for that, the court may be called for, Your Lordship. I don't object to the stay if there is any, Your Lordship. If there is any pray for the stay, I only to ascertain the stage, because it might be in the last stage where the compromise has been made before the judgment, only to ascertain that, Your Lordship. Record may be called for.
Record.
LCR.
Lordship, mobile and said everything has been taken from the parents of the this.
No,
alleged
I don't have
persons.
even objection to the merit of the case, Your Lordship. What I want to ascertain is that the charge sheet was filed in the year 2018, Your Lordship. We are not aware of if the trial has already been completed and it is in the stage of pronouncement of judgment or not, Your Lordship, because nothing as such has been given in the
Okay,
petition.
You can file a certified copy of the last order of the case.
Yes, at least because when the court is passing an
Only
order,
scan copy can be
the
called,
court will,
Lordship.
if the court is passing the order, Your Lordship, if quashing also, at least those has to be recorded, Your Lordship, and therefore.
You file a certified copy of the last order of that case.
All right, Lordship.
Then we will know what is the, on what position the case is now.
Case is now, Lordship, in the stage of consideration of charges, CC.
Which is stage.
Yes, after appearance next is CC. CC has not done so far. So this victim
all-
complainant has already compromised because at the time of offense, these all the persons were juvenile, class 7, 8, 10 students. So even parents have returned everything. Nothing is there, Lordship. Now they are busy in their daily activities.
If it's
So matter is
fixed on the 7th of December, Your Lordship. Meanwhile, scan copy of the LCR is being called for, Your Lordship.
So my prayer is that, Lordship, charge sheet may be quashed, Lordship, since already we have annexed this, we have the original this, what called,
Okay,
Lordship.
what stage the case is now pending?
Is the stage of Lordship CC?
You file a certified copy of that order.
All right, Lordship.
Heard, Mr.
T Topo.
APA for the petitioner. Heard MST Genie, the learned additional PP for the state of Assam, the state of Arunachal Pradesh. This court is of the opinion that this court should have knowledge about at what stage the case before the trial court is pending now. Therefore, the petitioner is directed to produce relevant certified copies of the orders passed by the trial court in the aforesaid case. Para, the interim order passed till shall continue until then. Least up to 4 weeks.
Your Lordship, the interim, this is the first time the matter has come up, Your Lordship.
Huh? Oh, there is no interim order.
No, Your Lordship.
Then I will state the proceeding.
Yes,
Then you do one thing, certified copies of the order produced. Para. It is further directed that it is also directed that further proceeding of What is the case?
GR number 8 of
Number
18,
8
Case
oblique
number
8 of 18.
18,
8 of 18. 8 of 18 pending in the court of
JJ Board UP Capital Complex.
Judicial Magistrate.
No, Union Justice Board,
or
Capital
Juvenile
Complex
Justice.
UP.
All are juveniles.
Yes,
Juvenile Justice Board.
Capital Complex UP.
Pending in the Juvenile Justice Board UPA. UPA
Yes, UP.
shall remain stay until further order. List of proposals.
Masuk.
Yes.
May I, Lordship? Lordship, this honorable court by order 15/9 of 2023 was pleased to grant me a pre-arrest bail.
Appeared before the IO.
Yes, I have appeared before the IO
Hmm.
and I've given my statement also. Lordship, the honorable court wanted the updated CD.
Okay.
Yes, the updated. Page 6 of the status report. Last, there's a. Following the file. Three witnesses were summoned to appear, but only one turned up. Despite of being assured by the accused to provide bank statement and other financial transfer between one other person other than complainant to eye of the case, he failed to provide that assurance.
Where is the report of the IO?
Report of the page 6 of the status report.
Where is the report?
This is
Status-
the earlier status report, and that one is updated status report. That one is updated status. That was a earlier status.
This is the status report.
Dated 13th November. Here in second para, last sentence, the accused has assured to provide all the bank statement and receipt of payment made to him by Sri kneeling before the undersigned shortly. After recording of the statement, the accused was allowed to leave PS and PR1 with a direction to appear as and when called for the purpose of investigation. On the strength of interim, he was released. And now the present status report, updated one, is at page 6
Page 6.
of the status report. Last paragraph.
You show it to me, find it out.
Lordship, be that as may be, Lordship, this is a matter of civilian dispute. They are trying to give a criminal clear to him. From the FIR, Lordship, it's apparent from the record, the FIR itself.
Okay, you produce those documents before the police. Police asked you to produce some bank statements and receipts of payment made by him.
Oh, okay, Lordship, I'll
Produce the
produce it. It
documents.
seems actually not cooperating with that.
You continue to remain on previous bail,
Yes, Lordship.
in the interim bail.
Yes,
You
Lord.
produce those documents.
I'll produce them, Lordship.
Heard, mister? What is your name?
V. Jamo.
D. Jamu. Appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. D. Tado.
G Tado.
The learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh.
Lordship, I am for the informant.
You are for the inquiry. Heard Mr.
A.K. Singh, your lordship.
V.K. Singh, appearing for the informant. Today I have gone through the updated report of the investigating officer. It appears that the investigating officer had asked the present petitioner to produce some documents which are yet to be produced. Therefore, the petitioner is given an opportunity to produce those documents before the IO. List again,
Stipulate dated may be fixed. Stipulate dated. Stipulated date
produce
within 1 week.
the documents within next 4 weeks. Till then, he shall remain on interim bail granted by this court. List this matter again on, you suggest one date after 4 weeks.
After 4 weeks means almost 1 month, then vacation starts in the month of January.
It will go to January.
Past week of
Suggest one date in the month of January. Do you have the calendar?
January, we don't have the calendar. Till only December.
Second, third, fourth calendar. January calendar.
Uh, 9 Tuesday.
9th of January 2024. CT shall be returned for the time being. The status report filed by the IO shall be made a part of the record. Okay, 9th of January.
Yes, your Lordship, CD is an original, so it may be returned back. I will produce on that day again.
No, CD shall be returned. CD shall be returned for further updation.
Plus. Oblige.
Yes.
My lord. This is, my lord, this matter, my lord, it's purely of civil nature, my lord.
You have appeared before the IO or no?
My lord, he appeared, my lord.
Appeared.
Lordship, we could not produce CD, Lordship, because as per the information, the CD has been forwarded to Honorable CJM Court, UPL, Lordship. So it's yet to be received back.
Okay.
So, Lordship, next week.
You are on interim, there is no problem.
My lord, no.
Heard Mr.
T. Tago, my lord.
T. Tago, appearing for the petitioner. Heard MS H. Lakshmiji learned additional PP for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. CD has not been received. So list again on
Next week, Lordship.
list next week.
Lordship.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue until then.
Oblige.
Deeply.
Lordship, here, Lordship, LCR has been called for,
Earlier.
Lordship. But I could not go to the LCR, Lordship, so it may be passed over for time being, Lordship.
Which one?
This
item.
Lordship,
Bail application.
Lordship.
What is the offense?
My lord, open on
POCSO.
POCSO, my lord, so far the register case is the section 8, 10 and 10, Lordship. May be listed after 1 week, Lordship. Counter affidavit is ready, Lordship.
Okay.
But the deponent, he lives in Parklang area, Lordship. So we have informed him.
Heard Mr.
T. Tarin.
Huh?
T. Tarin. T. Tarin.
T. Tarin. Appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr.
K. Tabang.
K. Tama. Appearing for the respondents. Mr. Tama prays for 1 week's time to file the counter affidavit.
Lordship, there was interim.
Okay. The prayer is allowed. List next list after 2 weeks. List after 2 weeks. The interim order passed earlier shall continue until then.
Deeply obliged.
None appears for either of the sides. Therefore, the matter is adjourned today. Least up to 2 weeks. Yes.
If I may, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, we are yet to file reply on this, Your Lordship. This is a civil revision, Your Lordship. So further, we need another 2 weeks to file reply, Your Lordship.
Reply for what?
That they have petition, Your Lordship, reply to the petition.
Oh, sir.
My lord, this impugn communication which has been put into challenge here has been stayed in another read petition, my lord. That is read petition 397. Now, the learned court below is not complying with this order because the germany of both the read petition and the civil revision is on the basis of the impugn communication, my lord. And then our learned court below is trying to proceed with the trial, saying that there is no specific stay in the civil revision. So it is not bar for us
Okay,
to.
I will stay the proceeding.
Yes, my lord, this order, my lord, it is already stayed in.
It is already stayed.
Yes, yes. WPC already.
Okay. But you want a stay order in this matter?
In this matter also.
Heard the learned counsel, Mr. T.T. Tara, appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr.
Jaitzring.
Appearing for the petitioners.
Young boy, no?
Heard Mr.
Jaitzring.
Huh?
Jaitzring, Your
Jai
Lordship.
Shri.
Appearing for the respondent. The learned counsel for the respondent prays for some time to file a reply. File a counter affidavit. After hearing both sides, the prayer is allowed. Para, it is also directed. You want stay of the miss case?
No.
Or title suit?
See, no, my lord, title suit, yes.
Title suit.
Title suit.
It is also directed that until further order, the further proceeding of the title suit number 07 of
Money
2019.
suit, title suit. Money suit, my lord.
Is it money suit?
Money suit.
But it is title.
Money suit.
8/2022 pending in the court of
Civil Judge Senior Division 0.
Civil Judge Senior Division 0
Yes.
shall remain stayed.
Right. So,
You have put a respondent,
Yes, yes, Your Honor. I'm got a sole respondent.
sole respondent.
Yes. May I draw kind attention by honorable court, this honorable court first order on dated 6 September 2023. A specific direction was given to the petitioner. The matter relates to lordship out of money education petition. The petitioner has been arrested as a civil imprisonment. And thereafter, the petitioner came before this honorable court stating that he is capable to pay back the money. But due to civil imprisonment, he is unable to pay. As such, he prayed for the interim. And this honorable court has given an interim on 6 September 2023. Is 1 month has been given interim. More around 3 months, money has not been paid back. He has been violated. My humble, simple prayer, Lordship, this interim may be vacated.
It will be vacated after hearing the other side.
They are the petitioner.
On the next day, I will write the order like that.
Lordship,
On the next date.
council also today came in item number 2. Today's course
Okay,
list.
right. If the petitioner does not appear on the next date, then the interim order shall be vacated. I will pass the order like that.
So that
None appears for the petitioner on call. Heard, Mr. What is the name?
ex-gate.
Appearing for the sole respondent. Since none appears for the petitioner on call, the matter is adjourned today. List next week
Yes.
It is further directed that if the petitioner does not appear on the next date, the interim order passed earlier shall stand vacated.
Okay.
Yes.
May I please, Lordship? This is Lordship joint petition for quashing in connection with WPS case number Lordship 1 of 2023. Charges under section 451, 326, 427, 342, 506 of 34 IPC, my lord.
326 is there.
Sorry, my lord, 506 is there, my lord. 506, criminal intimidation.
506.
Yes, my lord.
But 326 is also there.
Yes, Lordship, with regard to 326, the MLC report has come, Your Lordship. The injury is simple.
Injury is simple.
Yes.
So, about 506, 326 is there, but then no such injuries or release weapons has been used. So, except the 326, all other charges actions are compoundable, my lord. And with regard to 326,
Except 326.
yes, my lord.
And about
Except,
it is a simple injury.
yes, my lord.
It is given in the medical report.
Yes, Your Lordship, I have marked it in the pink, with the pink flag marking.
My lord, brief fact, it is leading out of extramarital affairs. Extramarital affairs in between the petitioner number 1 and the husband of petitioner number 2. So, my lord, my humble prayer, it is well within the guideline laid down by the Honorable Apex Court in the Lakshmi Narayan case. It is a civil nature. So, I am relying on this Lakshmi Narayan case.
Give
my
me
lord.
the judgment. There are many petitioners. Who is Taksin Yari?
My lord, petitioner number 1 come complainant, my lord.
Or she is the complainant?
Yes, my lord.
Then who is Tart Sumpa?
The Elise accused person, A1, my lord.
Person.
Yes,
Okay.
my lord.
Who is Tar Yaka? Miss Tar Yaka.
Taryaka and Tar Sumpa, these are accomplices of Elise accused person, Tar Sumpa, petitioner number 2,
Oh, okay.
who accompanied the petition number 2 while Elise offense has been committed.
And who is Ronnie Ramchin? Ramchin?
Petitioner number, my lord, the petitioner number 3, 4, and 5 are accomplices of petitioner number 2 while commissions of the Elise offense, my lord.
Okay. Where is the FIR?
FIR, my lord, your lordship may please
Page
come
number
at
11, Your Lordship.
page number 12. Written FIR at page number 11 and page number 11, my lord. May I read? The officer in charge, Women Police Station, Itanagar, FIR against Srimati Tar Sumpa Kipa, who is the petitioner number 2 here, my lord. Respected madam, with due respect and humble submission, I would like to state following few lines for your kind consideration and needful action, please. That madam, on 1/1/2023 at around 11 p.m., one Srimati Tar Sumpa Kipa, that is the petitioner number 2, wife of Kipa Niva, along with other 4 members consisting of 3 women and 1 man, has severely attacked me without any reason. They came into my house with the lethal weapons like knife, etc., and started beating me continuously. During opposing, they have attacked me in sharpened knife and injured in several body parts, and they have also destroyed all my household articles. Apart from that, they have also broken my Godrej and taken case amount from my Godrej. In later, Srimati Tar Sumpa Kipa, the petitioner number 2 here in the joint petition, and other also kidnapped me and took me away her residence at E sector Naharlagan and continuously beating and touching my private body part.
Okay, all right.
This was the allegation.
Taksin Yari is the informant.
Yes, my lord. Taxing is the informant.
So she should file the affidavit. Affidavit is filed by only
Affidavit is filed by my lord petitioner number 2 on being authorized by Taksin Yari.
No, that will not do. Because
Lordship,
she is a measure. Taksin Yari is a measure. So she should file the affidavit along with this petition.
Lordship, at the page number 10, the authorization letter by the petitioner number 1 and
This authorization will not do. She resides at Naharlagun. So she should file the affidavit. You file the affidavit. Affidavit is filed by
affidavit is
Tar-
filed. Yes, my lord, the
Tumpo.
petitioner number 2.
Tumpa.
Yes, my lord.
This will not do. The informant should file the affidavit. Heard the learned counsel, Mr. What is your name?
Pitamin, my lord.
Appearing for the petitioners. Heard MS J. Gini, the learned additional T. Gini, the learned additional PV for the state of Arunachal. It appears that the petition under section 482 of the CRPC is not supported by an affidavit sworn by the informant of the criminal case. Therefore, the petitioner is directed to file the affidavit sworn by Miss Taksin Yari. Taksin Yari. On the next date. Is there any interim order pending?
No, my lord,
No.
there is no interim order.
The list next week.
Otherwise, my lord, this is only the extramarital affairs issues, my lord,
Anyway, you
only.
should file the affidavit. She should come and say that I agree with this. That is why. In
And
support of the affidavit, support of the petition.
because mutual settlement also entered by this Taksin Yari, the petitioner number 1 herself, my lord.
Okay, next week you file the affidavit
On 7th December, your
on
lordship.
7 December. Not next week, 7 December.
Obliged, my lord.
Okay. Item number 18. Yes.
Respondent number 5, lordship, is supposed to file Wakalatnama.
Respondent number 5.
Yes, Lordship. This morning we have filed Wakalatnama, Lordship, on behalf of respondent number 5.
How many respondents are there?
5,
respondents.
lordship, yes, lordship.
Lakshmi is for 1, 2, 3, 4.
1 to 4, lordship.
1 to 4. You are for 5. When you will file the affidavit?
This morning, Lordship.
Today morning file.
On
Okay, what is your
Wakalatnama,
name?
he has filed, lordship.
C. Bangsia.
Huh?
C. Bangsia.
C-
Your lordship, may the interim order be extended? May the interim order be extended? There's an interim order dated,
Okay, so it will be
may it
extended.
extended.
It will be extended. Hard MS, so and so, appearing for the petitioners. Hard MS H. Lakshmi. The learned additional PP appearing for the respondents 1, 2, 3, 4. Hard Mr.
D. Lona.
D. Lora.
Lona.
Lona, appearing for the respondent number 5. Mr. Lona submits that he has filed the Wakalatnama today only. Therefore, he needs some time to take part in the hearing of this matter. The prayer is allowed. List up to 2 weeks. Till then, the interim order passed, it shall continue.
Obliged.
None appears for the appellant on call. RMS T. Gini, the learned additional PV for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Since none appears for a petitioner on call, appellant on call, the hearing is adjourned today. List next week. This is finished. Okay. Yes.
Yes, my lord. My lord, Mr. P. Tafo, my lord. The amicus curiae in item number 3 and the conducting counsel in item number 4 is out of station, my lord.
Oh, Peter 4 is out of station.
Yes, my lord. My lord, it may be fixed on 4th of December, my lord.
4th of December.
Yes, my lord.
The learned counsel MS, what is your name?
M. Karwat.
M. Tawa. Submits that the learned conducting counsel, Mr. P. Tafo, is out of station and on that ground an adjournment has been prayed for. Heard Mr. D.
I mean, item number 3.
Huh?
In item number 3.
No.
Jitalo.
Or Jitalo. The learned additional PP for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. The prayer of adjournment is allowed, list on
4th of December.
4th December for hearing.
Deeply obliged.
Okay.
May I, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2.
2.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, leading counsel for the FLN, Mr. Pangin, is out of station today due to personal difficulty, Lordship.
So Diki Panging is out of station.
Yes, Lordship. Kindly, this matter may be, Lordship, posted to 5th December.
5th December.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr.
D. Lona.
D. Lora.
LONA.
LOYE. D. Loye. Mr. Loye submits that the learned conducting counsel, Mr. Diki Panging, is out of station, and on that ground an adjournment has been prayed for. I have also heard Mr. G. Tado, the learned additional PP for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. The hearing is adjourned today, list on 5th December for hearing.
Yes, sir. Obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
My lordship, I'd like to mention item number 1. Can it be adjourned for date to be fixed on what was that? December 11?
December 11.
Since my senior counsel is out of station.
Just we'll have the.
As per office note, service report is still awaited.
That's it. You have to pass some orders. Just wait. Call him.
Item number 1.
Yeah. Item number 1. Service report for number 2 not yet.
25/10/22 sir.
Notice upon respondent number 2 is not yet served.
Yes, my lordship.
For a long time. Press the property.
Full jurisdiction.
Heard MS, what is your name?
W. Lingi.
Huh?
W. Lingi.
W. Lingi.
Double
Appearing for the appellant, heard Mr. D. Talo. Appearing the learned additional PP for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. The learned counsel for the appellant submits that the learned contracting counsel, MSD Ghosh, is not available today in the station, and on the ground an adjournment has been prayed for.
Can it be fixed on December 11th?
Okay, all right. We have gone through the case report. We find that service upon the respondent number 2, service of notice upon the respondent number 2 is not yet complete. Therefore, the appellant is directed to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by jurisdictional police station. List on 11th December. The appellant is directed to take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 through jurisdictional police station. The list on 11th.
Obliged.
You take note, you have to take fresh steps.
Okay.
Just take a note of that.
Fresh steps, no.
Fresh
On
steps.
respondent number 2.
Respondent number 2 by concerned police station. Then the notice will be served. Otherwise, notice will not be served.
Then notice will be served, no. Obliged.
Respondent number 2.